how to choose the language you want to use for each app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, and in settings, we scroll down, then tap on general management. After that, in here, tap on app languages and scroll down the list and select an app. So for example, I'm going to select Chrome, and here I can select a particular language for the app. So here I will choose Vietnamese for the app. So you can see here, if I try to open up Chrome, by default it should try to use that selected language, and it's only applied to that app. So that is how you can customize the different language for each of the app. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.